Did you know your water heater could be silently draining your wallet every month? Or worse, leaving you shivering mid-shower? If you're buying a home or thinking about upgrading, you need to know whether a traditional tank water heater or a modern tankless system is the right choice. Let's break it down so you can make the smartest decision for your home. Hey everyone, I'm Inspector Q with Pro Inspect Solutions, and today we're tackling one of the biggest questions in home heating. Should you go tankless or stick with a traditional water heater? Whether you're a homeowner looking to upgrade or a home buyer evaluating a new property, understanding the pros and cons of each system can save you thousands of dollars in the long run. Let's dive in. Water heaters have come a long way since the days of bulky tanks sitting in basements or garages. Companies like Rheem, Bradford White, A.O. Smith, and Navien have pushed the industry forward with high-efficiency models that cater to different home needs. While tank water heaters have been the go-to for decades, tankless water heaters have surged in popularity thanks to their promise of endless hot water and lower energy bills. All right, let's talk features. Tank water heaters, these systems store a set amount of water, usually 40 to 80 gallons, and keep it heated 24/7, so it's ready when you need it. They're generally cheaper up front, work well for large families, and the installation is relatively simple. Tankless water heaters. Instead of storing hot water, these systems heat water on demand, only when you turn on the tap. This makes them more energy efficient, they take up less space, and they deliver unlimited hot water, but they do have some key trade-offs. If you're buying a home, identifying which system it has is crucial to understanding long-term costs and maintenance needs. Now let's break it down. Cost and installation. Traditional tank water heaters cost between $500 and $1,500, while tankless systems range between $1,000 to $3,500. The upfront cost of a tankless is much higher, especially if your home needs new gas lines or upgraded electrical systems for installation. Maintenance and lifespan. Tank water heaters last around 10 to 15 years, but they require regular flushing to prevent settlement buildup. Tankless models can last 20 years or more, but they require descaling in hard water areas to prevent mineral buildup. Performance. A tank system delivers consistent hot water until you run out. If you have guests over or multiple showers running at once, that tank can drain quickly, leading to cold showers. On the other hand, tankless water heaters never run out, but they may struggle to keep up if multiple fixtures are being used at once, especially in a larger household. Energy efficiency. Tank water heaters work constantly to keep water warm even when you're not using it, leading to wasted energy. Tankless systems only heat water when needed, cutting energy costs by 24 to 34% over time. So here's the head-to-head comparison. If you want the most budget-friendly option, go with a tank water heater. If you care about long-term energy savings, tankless is the winner. If you need fast and reliable hot water for a big family, stick with a large tank model. If you want fewer replacements and repairs, a tankless unit could last twice as long. I've personally inspected homes with both systems, and here's the hard truth. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. I've seen homeowners rave about switching to tankless because they never run out of hot water, but I've also seen folks frustrated when their shower pressure drops because they underestimated their home's demand. Knowing your household water usage is key to making the right choice. So what's the best option? If you're on a budget and want something familiar and reliable, stick with the tank water heater. But if you're thinking long-term and want energy savings and unlimited hot water, a tankless system could be a game changer. Either way, making the right choice depends on your home size, water usage, and budget. So the question is, what type of water heater do you prefer? Tank or tankless? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. And if you want more home improvement and inspection tips, make sure you subscribe and check out my next video on how to spot major plumbing issues before they cost you thousands. See you on the next video.